The storyboard is the best way to showcase the moments in your life that matter most. Its unique design features grooves that give you full creative control to slide, layer, and swap out your glass prints, and installation is easy. Your storyboard will be shipped with a mounting template, plastic anchors, metal screws, and a keyhole block. To install, you'll also need a level and a Phillips head screwdriver or a drill with a Phillips head drill bit. Step 1. Use your level and the mounting template to figure out where you'd like to mount your storyboard. The template is the exact size as the back of the storyboard, and it comes with reusable wall-safe tape so you can stick it directly on your wall and readjust as needed. Once you're satisfied with the placement, use your screw to pierce the template and mark the wall where hole A and hole B will be. Then, remove the template from the wall. Step 2. Using a metal screw and either your drill or screwdriver, create pilot holes at both hole markings. This will make inserting your plastic anchors much easier. If you hit a wall stud while creating your pilot hole, disregard the plastic anchor. Inserting the screws directly into a wall stud will ensure stability without the need for anchors. Step 3. Press your plastic anchor into the pilot hole. Then screw it into place and tighten until it's flush with the wall. Repeat this step on the next hole using your second anchor. If you have trouble inserting the anchors into your pilot holes, you can make the holes bigger and try again. Step 4. Install the metal screws into the plastic anchors or your wall, and leave the screws about a ½ an inch out of the wall. Place the keyhole block over one of the screws and tighten it until it's snug. Remove the keyhole block, then repeat this process for the other screw. Step 5. Align the holes on the back of your storyboard to the screws and slide your storyboard to the right, which will lock it into place. If it won't slide over, loosen the screws. And if it slides over but is a bit wobbly, tighten the screws. Once your storyboard is secure, avoid sliding it to the left, which will unlock the mounting. And that's it. Your storyboard is ready. How you decide to use it is entirely up to you. You can line up your favorite memories side by side in a single groove, or use all 3 grooves to layer your prints. You can even place small mementos alongside your prints, as the tip of each groove is the same height, creating an overall flat surface. When arranging your prints, make sure that the entire photo lies within the grooves and not just the backing material. The storyboard is designed to help you showcase the moments in your life that matter most. Let the world see what life looks like through your eyes with the storyboard.